Can you guys see my Google Doc?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Working Group Serving bi-weekly meeting. Today is May 28th, 2025. And let's get started. Remember that we are following CNCF Code of Conduct, and this call will be recorded and uploaded to YouTube. First, let's go through the workstream updates. I don't think we have anything for orchestration. For DIA, Sergey, do you have anything to
Yeah, we had a
update?
work group serving yesterday, but work group device management yesterday meeting, and we're still tracking for GA of DRA structured parameters. So, I mean, GA of basic functionality trumps every new feature that we may want from work group serving. So right now, all effort is going there.
Great, sounds good. Anything for auto scaling? I think we can skip it. For multi-host, I think Jashin has an item here, but he's not here today. But feel free to take a look at this link. And yeah, if you are interested in joining the discussions on like quantized calculations, feel free to comment on this GitHub issue here. Okay. Next, let's go through sub-project update. Is Callan here? Okay, I guess a lot of discussions have been moved to the contributors meetings then. And Jason will be late for the meeting. Ashok, you're here?
Yeah. So for the inference perf benchmarking tool, we have a v0.1 release planned. We're planning to cut it by Friday. We still have a couple more issues there that needs to be resolved. But at this point, we have added additional support for things like random data set input-output distributions, in addition to like Prometheus metrics and other things that we already have. One last thing we are addressing is the QPS that we can consistently hit. Because a lot of the benchmarks that you see, they are using async IO, which has issues with maximum QPS that you can accurately reach. Usually it's around 100, 200, something like that. So we are addressing some of those scalability issues as well. Yeah, so, and we are also planning to do a demo next week sync.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can kind of present where we are at and how people can use the tool.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we don't have a lot of open topics here. Like, if you have anything to discuss, feel free to add. I added this item because I believe many of you have seen the announcements on the Slack channel and or social media. But a couple of our company, a couple of us from different companies have joined forces to launch the LRMD project. If you are interested in take a look, here's a link to the announcements and the GitHub repo. So it's Kubernetes native distributed inference framework, and that leverages a lot of the initiatives from this working group. So I imagine there will be a lot of collaborations with the community members here. So right now it's using the GIE project, but I think Ashok is also working on the benchmarking tool that will also be leveraged. Ashok, do you think that the proposal you are putting together, is that something to be shared publicly soon?
Yeah, I think the doc is now public. I can actually put a link here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the benchmarking North Star for the LMD project and how we are trying to see how we can use inference perf. since it aligns with some of the goals there. Yeah, let me add a link here. It is not finalized yet. People are reviewing it. So if you have feedback, yeah, please take a look. And
yeah, I guess it's also LMD like specific, right? So
yeah,
in case anyone here that are interested in contributing, there will be a recurring community call at 9:30, basically in 20 minutes. If you're interested joining, I think the link should be available in on the README here at the bottom. Okay, I'm also looking for folks from LMD project to present at the working group serving. If you know anyone who might be interested, please let me know. Okay, anything else? Any other topics that you'd like to discuss?
Is there any particular topic that you want to hear about from the LLMD side?
I guess like an overview of the project, right?
Okay, yeah, I'm happy to do that. Maybe
Okay.
next time, or yeah, we can plan for it.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, and make sure like you collaborate with other folks and make sure like if they have anything that they want to like present, maybe having that part of the presentation as well. Okay, sounds good. I guess that's it for today then. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Brian.
Bye.